Hi guys, so I just stumbled on an update where you can earn 400 naira every day. I mean, you can even earn more than that, but the least you can withdraw is 400 naira. So this platform will allow you to earn money, earn in naira 400 naira every single day. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just new here, I am the Peaceable Digital. On this channel, we teach people how to make money online, how to use free apps, premium apps for free, and a lot of things, that you would love. So if you're just joining for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're returning subscriber, know that I love you big time. Thank you for always tuning in. I love you so much. Okay, so without any further ado, let's dive into the video while I show you how it works. So this platform will allow you to earn money, earn in naira 400 naira every single day by simply referring people to click on your link. That's all you have to do. Nothing more, nothing less. Like, this is an update I just discovered today. And because I love you all, I decided to come and share, because we are all looking for money together. So that's why I decided to come and share this update with you guys. As usual, head over to my screen while I show you how it works.
So the first thing you want to do is to click on that particular link in the description below. Click on it and it will take you straight to Telegram, right? Click on start. So once you click on start, wait for it to load for some minutes and you see this drop up and this will pop out, right? So once this has popped out, you click on, you see these three links, click on it. Click on the first link, join the group. Click on the second link, join whatsoever the group that they ask you to join. Click on the third one and also join the group, right? And after that, after you have joined the three group, then you click on joined, right? So it will bring out your dashboard. This is like your dashboard where you'll be monitoring your payments, your referrals and everything, right? So let's click on the balance. So I click on balance. As you can see, it's saying zero balance, 0 point, right? So I've clicked on the bonus. As you can see, it's saying this is what I have in my bonus. It will give you a daily bonus actually. And the next one I clicked on was this withdrawal. As you can see, it's telling me to link a ton wallet. So in order for me to withdraw, that's by the way, you are not withdrawing through wallet. They will actually pay you directly to your Naira bank app. So you see that other part that it says bonus, that was where I clicked and it is taking me to somebody's YouTube channel. You don't have to watch the video if you don't want to watch. You just go back and claim your reward. So you can claim daily reward. It's just like all this your tap, all this something, all these airdrops. So this one is like Naira Airdrop, and the least you can withdraw. You see, once you check your balance and you have 400 points, you can withdraw 400. Now you just request for withdrawal and they will send the money to you immediately. It's as simple as that. And for some of you that will be saying, oh, how do I get referrals? Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through how you can get referrals from your Facebook pages and from all your social media handles as well. It is very, very simple to get referrals. Okay, so this is me just walking through the process, the dashboard and everything. And if you see, I'm going to show you a part where they've paid people. Like, just check the date and you see that they paid people today. Like today, they will pay you immediately. Once you get up to 400 points, you get paid ASAP. Like, there is no going back and forth with this airdrop, and it's they just newly launched it, so people are still earning money. So if you want to refer, you click on invite, click on your copy your invite link and start posting, right? So I want to go and refer people on Facebook. I've copied my invite link and you see how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to head over to Facebook, go to the search button where you will type, go to the search button, you're going to type how to make money online, right? So after typing how to make money online, you're going to see a lot of groups. Join as many groups as possible. And if you don't want to join groups, just scroll down to the bottom of the pages. So you're going to see updates, and you're going to see comments. Target those comment section that has plenty comment sections and just post your link there. Just paste it there. Paste to as many comment sections as possible. Just be pasting and pasting. You'll be surprised how you're going to get referrals. Just paste randomly like that. Do you get? And you paste and you come back. If you paste, you see that coming back, I have some referrals already. Okay, so this is it, and this is the channel. You need to come and see how people have made their withdrawals already. I'm going to show you the evidence, proof of payment, right? Or how people have earned money. So this is it. Like, people have really literally earned money using this simple method. It's a very simple and seamless method. So you can see this person earned 400 naira and it was transferred to his OPay bank account. Okay, and you can see these people too, they were paid today. Like, this one was transferred to Kuda. Depending on how you're able to get referrals, the more you get referrals, the more your money. And
so if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the bell notification icon to be able to get notification when next I post another video like this. So see you in my next video. Bye.